Welcome to the Christmas edition of Jeff's Pianist Academy. I think it's almost impossible to find a person who would not be familiar with this song. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. But not everybody can play it on the piano. So if you have a piano at home and a couple of minutes of your free time, let me explain to you how this song goes. An easy tutorial for the beginners. This is one of the easiest versions for two hands. So let's start with the right hand. I presume you are sitting in the middle of your instrument. So here you can find C1, and we will be playing on these 5 keys. So you can put your hand here. C, D, E, F, G. And we will be starting with the middle finger on E. Jingle bells, jingle bells. As you know from the song, the rhythm is short, short, long, short, short, long. So let's do it again. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Now a tricky part. You play an E, and then you omit the next note and play this one. Then with the thumb, the C, D, and E. So jingle all the way. Let's do it again. A slow version for you. Well done! Next step. Now we need this key. Oh, what fun it is to write. So you repeat it for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you go to an E. Let's do it again slowly. Oh, what fun it is to write. This was easy. These were quarter notes. But then you have this part. In a one horse open sleigh. Hey. And then a very nice part. We play the same as in the beginning. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. You see, this passage is different from the beginning. In the beginning, we were playing it like this. But here it goes toward the end, and we are playing. So you're omitting the third finger. G, G, F, D, and C. Please put the fingers on these 4 notes. And we are playing this again. Let's repeat the right hand from the very beginning. Great! let's take a look what our left hand is playing. So first of all, we need to find where the left hand should start playing. The right hand was playing here, and the left hand is 1 octave lower. So please put your left hand on these 2 notes. This is a C, left from 2 black keys, and a G, located between these 2 black keys. I will be playing the left hand and singing the melody at the same time. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a 1-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a 1-horse open sleigh. Maybe you noticed that we only need 3 combinations. These are C and G, C and A, and B and G. Let's do it again. Playing the right and left hand at the same time might be challenging, so you might need to spend a couple of moments practicing just the first measure. It's important to remember that the first beat is played together, but then the right hand continues playing jingle bells, and the left hand is just playing bam, and it stays on these 2 notes. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. I'm sure you noticed that I was counting in the measure. Sometimes the people would reduce this note and play it shorter than it should be. So if you practice alone, you can also say 1, 2, 3, 4. Good luck with this song. I hope you will be able to play it yourself very soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel because there will be other tutorial coming soon.